G'day! In today's video, I'm talking about motivation. With this, it's something that people need more of, it's always useful to have, and some people look at a task and think it's too big, but they don't simply break it down into smaller steps. For example, I started doing a bit of exercise at home, and I don't have enough time to allocate 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour of time for that. So what do I do there? Do I just not do it at all? No. Got a minute and a half. Cool. Finish the dishes, kids are in bed, I'll go outside for 10 minutes, or 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, do some exercise, pull-up bar, whatnot. I've got a pull-up bar rack, use that for a little bit. Start it small. Do 1, 2, walk off. Come back again, an hour later, 1, 2. And over time, I've been able to build that up so I can do more. What am I getting at with this? The initial starting of a task is usually just small steps. Even if you don't want to, let's say you want to lose weight, whatever, simply lose weight by, well, one way you could do it, it's not making a dramatic change to your whole life. Don't go, okay, I'm never going to eat chocolate again. I'm only going to eat chocolate on a Friday. I'll only have alcohol on a Saturday, so on and so forth. You don't necessarily have to go to that great length to begin with. Another way you could do it is, if you want, let's say you're trying to lose weight, you always buy a large meal. Okay, let's just cut it back to a medium. Buy the medium meal. Can't do that? When you order it with a soft drink, order it with a bottle of water instead. Make these fine little adjustments that will over time compound to something much greater. Where me simply going out and doing my minute and a half of exercise twice a day has slowly gone to a fair bit more exercise and ability doing these pull-ups than when I first started. When I first started, I could barely even pull myself up once. Now I can go out there, do 10 of them in a row. And I'll do that, and then I'll go in, continue on with my day, pop back out later on in the evening, and maybe do 2, 3, maybe even 5 minutes worth. But when I have time, I make these fine adjustments, or just simply go out of my way to do them and consciously think about them. As I said, going back to with diets, for example, simply go through the drive-thru. Okay, I won't get the extra item. I won't make it larger. Those simple small cutbacks, you're still kind of getting what you want, but at the same time you're reducing what you're getting, which in turn is probably better than what you were originally going to get. Granted, getting fast food's not great, but at the same time you've reduced what you were going to and you've had to think about it, which even just thinking about it's going to help. For example, you might go out and go, oh yeah, well, if you're consciously motivated to try and save money, doing that helps. But for example, you might go out and go, okay, I've got a budget of $15 that I'm going to spend when I'm shopping. Or it might be 50, it might be 100. You see a 2-for-1 sale and go, 2 shirts for $60. Oh, that's a great sale. No, you've got your hard cap. Stick to your hard cap. You're going to spend $50 on clothing, spend no more than $50. Okay, actually, I've got all these shirts at home. I'll just grab that one. Or I won't grab any of those and just leave it at that and just do some mental gymnastics and settle for what you've already got. I find that even simple things like that. Some stuff's, fun enough, even just me getting into a video game, for example, starts with a small step. Don't feel like playing anything? Okay, I'll just put this game on. And before I know it, I've played it for an hour and a half. It wasn't a game I was thinking of playing, but it's a game that slowly got me hooked, and just that simple step of, I'll give it a try, and now I'm doing it. Same with the exercise, simple, go out there, 30 seconds, use it, leave, now I'm hooked. Food, I'll order something smaller, spend slightly less. There's all different ways to motivate you, but I always find that they all start with just a single step. Hope this might get you motivated. If not, all good. Catch you later.